In this video, I'm going to show you how to document your green cleaning equipment and maintenance. The first time you open up the equipment and maintenance module, you'll see this question. On the right, we give you information on how to document your equipment and maintenance. For each piece of equipment, you're going to need to collect the following information to fill out the calculator. This includes everything from the date of purchase to the list of repair to the vendor specification sheet, and the detailed list is here. Secondly, you're going to need to know if your particular piece of equipment, so your vacuum or your extractor, meets green standards. To do this, ZIA has provided the Sustainable Equipment Standards reference. This document identifies the equipment, the standard, and gives you a website, if applicable, where you can find out if your piece of equipment meets that standard. Finally, we also have the lead reference guide, which will show detailed information on all of the lead requirements. Now we're in the calculator. When you're in the calculator for the first time, the first thing you want to do is create maintenance programs. You're going to do this for each piece of equipment. So here I have a vacuum maintenance program, and if I open that up, I've listed the maintenance practices that need to be repeated for that piece of equipment on a daily and monthly and 6 months from now. I also set a reminder so that I am reminded to come record that maintenance inside of ZIA. I can also create new maintenance programs for any type of equipment by pressing this plus sign here. When I created this vacuum maintenance program, I took the requirements from this cut sheet here, which shows the backpack filter maintenance that is required for my backpack vacuum. Additionally, my backpack vacuum, it has a HEPA filter so that it is compliant with the Carpet and Rug Institute standard. And I've also noted on my cut sheet that it meets a particular certification, in this case, the Carpet and Rug program's green label. Once I've created my maintenance programs, I can start adding the equipment to the list. I can do this by pressing the plus sign and entering the information on my piece of equipment. The name, make and model, quantity, cost, my personal ID for it, and selecting the appropriate maintenance program. I'd also like to identify the purchase date, and if I know that it meets a standard, I will upload the cut sheet. If it does not meet a standard, I do not need to upload that cut sheet. So here's my protein vacuum. It's a HEPA vacuum. I have 8 of them. They cost $300 each, and I've applied a maintenance program to it. If I want to log the maintenance completed, I simply go under Maintenance Log and click the plus sign. When I open this up, I can note any instance of maintenance that I completed, and I can add that to the maintenance log. Then, if I select Complete Maintenance Log, it will open up all of the maintenance completed for all of my equipment inside the calculator. I can also remove a piece of equipment from operation by decommissioning it by pressing this icon here. Or I can edit that equipment at any time or remove it altogether. If I want to look at a list of my decommissioned equipment, I press this link here. And if I want to put it back into operation, I would simply press this refresh button here.